विद्याधीशाय धीमहि तन्नः शुक्र प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा शनैश्चराय विद्महे छायापुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो मन्दः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा अश्वध्वजाय विद्महे पाशहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो राहुः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा चित्ररत्नाय विद्महे सर्परूपाय धीमहि तन्नः केतुः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा ओम भूतनादाय विद्महे बहुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नः शास्ता प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा ओम आंजनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा आंजनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा आंजनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा साईनाथाय विद्महे सत्यधर्माय धीमहि तन्नो भाभा प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा एतदे होमसमध्यर्थं केशवादि होमं करिष्ये ओम केशवाय स्वाहा केशवाय नमः नारायणाय स्वाहा नारायणाय नमः माधवाय स्वाहा माधवाय नमः गोविंदाय स्वाहा गोविंदाय नमः कृष्णवे स्वाहा कृष्णवे नमः मधुसूदनाय स्वाहा मधुसूदनाय नमः त्रिविक्रमाय स्वाहा त्रिविक्रमाय नमः वामनाय स्वाहा वामनाय नमः सीधराय स्वाहा सीधराय नमः ऋषिकेशाय स्वाहा ऋषिकेशाय नमः पद्मनाभाय स्वाहा पद्मनाभाय नमः दामोदराय स्वाहा दामोदराय नमः सर्वं श्री महाविष्णवे सत्य साईनाथाय स्वाहा
So please pray for Shri Sai Baba every Thursday. Please do Shri Sai Baba mantra to get away from whatever issues you have in life.
தொடர்ந்து 7 வாரங்கள் விரதம் இருந்தா ரொம்ப விசேஷம்னு சொல்லிருக்கு. சப்தாகம் சொல்லி பேரு.
If you do 7 Thursday fasting for continuously for 7 Thursdays, it is mentioned as very auspicious and it will grant you blessings directly from Shri Sai Baba. So please try to do it. If you can even skip some 1 or 2 times a meal on Thursday, that is, and you can eat your dinner in the night. It's not possible the whole day.
அதாவது
it's like doing a same if you do Yagadashi Vrata, it is believed that Sai Baba will give the same benefit for you.
கடவுளை அணுகுவதற்கு எளிய முறை குருவை தொழுவதுதான் சொல்லிருக்கு. கடவுள்கிட்ட நம்ம சீக்கிரம் நம்மளுடைய கோரிக்கை நிறைவேறணும்னா நம்மளுடைய குரு பக்தி ரொம்ப விசேஷம். அந்த வகையில தான் நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி குருவுக்காக நம்ம ரொம்ப விசேஷமா பண்றதுடைய காரணமே அதுதான். கடவுள்கிட்ட நம்ம சீக்கிரமா நம்மளுடைய கோரிக்கை நிறைவேறும்.
The Supreme Lord Mahavishnu is reachable very fastly with the help of Shri Sai Baba. He will help you grant us mukti, going back to the eternal world, the moksha, Sri Vaikuntha, so and also to Sri Kailaya. Both Hari and Hara are same because they are Supreme Almighty. Shri Sai Baba will bless you and show you a way, the path of devotion. When you do fasting and when you do this yagna, he will show you the path, and he will not only solve your material issues in this life, he will grant you a blessing of starting a spiritual progression that will lead to an eternal peace and moksha, which is the main objective of this birth of all the human beings. The main objective is going back to God. We are in a vicious cycle of birth and death. Definitely Shri Sai Baba will guide you to break this bondage of birth and death and go back to the eternal world. So Shri Sai Baba is representing our Guru. So let we all consider him as our Guru and we seek his guidance, we fall down to his feet, and if we all pray to him with a deepened heart to go back to the eternal world, in this world also he will grant us a boon to get whatever we want to be in the spiritual process. So now please pray for 2 minutes. Pray for you, pray for your family. Whatever health issues you have, Shirdi Sai Baba will grant you a boon to come out of it. So definitely Sai Baba is showing lot of miracles to lot of people. I am getting lot of miracles from lot of people. Definitely your life also will have miracles. So please believe in it. Right now please pray. I will give 2 minutes time. Please pray. Whatever desires you have, please pray. We are going to take your prayers along with this final ahuti and we are going to offer it to Shirdi Sai Baba.
Om Sahasra Sirsha Purnaha Sahasratra Sahasrabad Sabhum Viswado Vidva Atyadiktatta Sangulam Purna Deve Dagam Sarvam Yad Bhutam Yad Chavabhyam Udama Datta Sheshanaha Yatannena Dirohadi Yetavadasya Mahima Adhoyaya Visya Purnaha Ado Osyena Bhapunaha Ado Viswam Yakramade Sasanana Sane Abhi Purnahuti Uttamam Jagoti Sarvam Vai Purnahuti Sarvameva Prodi Adoyam Vai Purnahuti Asyameva Pradidipadi Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnapurnam Dasyade Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Sishyade Sainadhaya Vidmahe Satya Dharmaya Dhimahi Tanno Bhava Prachodaya Swaha.
We offered the Purna, the final ahutis along with your prayers. Your prayers are offered at the feet of Lord Shirdi Sai Baba. Please get the blessings from him.
Bhuswaha Adhyavadi Purujam Daya Bhaitam Pranayam Adhidenam Krista Saraswadenam Krista Devasavi Saprasavihi.
We have also offered prasadam to the Lord. Sai Baba is very happy today. He is giving us blessings for everyone who is participating in this ritual. We are also very happy. We are seeing Shirdi Sai Baba in the Agni Rupa. Hope everyone will get whatever they desire in their life.
Namaskaram.
Now we want to do a namaskaram process. Please stand up. You need to fall down to the ground, the Bhuloka. The gents should have a full namaskaram, stretching their hands and legs, thinking that Shirdi Sai Baba is standing before you. You should have a namaskaram. The ladies should have a half namaskaram, not touching their chest on the ground. So now, please do the namaskaram process. So he will do the mantras, 3 mantras, or I hope 5 mantras. 5 mantras. 5 mantras, each representing each deity of Shirdi Sai Baba. So these mantras, you need to fall down for 5 times. So first mantra is going to start. Please fall down.
Yani Gani Jababani Janmandra Kritani Jam Tani Dani Vinasandi Pradakshina Pade Pade.
Please have the good namaste. Stand up.
Papokam Papa Karmakam
Please fall down.
Papatma Papasambhavaha Trakimam Kripaya Deva Saranagatamastala.
Please stand up.
Anyada Saranam Nasayo Tvameva Charanam Mama Tasmat Karune Bhavena Raksha Rakshasi Sai Swara Atma Pradaksha Namaskaram Samarpaya Vinaha Sainadaya Vidmahe Satya Dharmaya Dhimahi Tanno Bhava Prachodayate.
Please stand up.
Sainadaya Vidmahe Mahaprabho Dhimahi Tanno Bhava Prachodayate. Shri Satchidananda Samartha Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki Jai. Shri Satchidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki Jai.
Please fall down.
Shri Satchidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki Jai. Shri Satyanath Sainath Maharaj ki Jai. இப்பொழுது தீபாராதனை.
So now we are going to do Deeparadhanai. Please take the blessings from the Lord.
ராஜாதிராஜாய பிரசக்ய சாகினே நமோ வயம் மேதி ஸ்ரவணாய குமரே சமேகா பாலகா மகாமாய மத்யம் காமே ஸ்ரோமணி பிரவணோததாது வேகாதி ஸ்ரவணாய மகாராஜாய நமः சாயிநாதாய வித்மஹே சத்ய தர்மாய தீமஹி தன்னோ பாவா பிரச்சோதயாத். சத்ய சாயினே நமः. கற்பூர நீராஞ்சனம் சமர்ப்பயாமி. आसमनीयं समर्पयामि. रक्षान्धारयामि. इन्द्रस्तोमेन पञ्चदशेन मध्यमिदं वादे न सगरेण रक्षा. கையெடுத்து கும்பிட்டுக்கணும்.
Please do the namaskaram with
स्वामी साईनाथा शीरडी क्षेत्रवासया नमकाभीष्ट प्रदाय महीद मंगलम स्वामी लोकनाथाय भक्तलोक संरक्षकाय नागलोकस्तुताय नव्य मंगलम स्वामी भक्त वृंद वंदिताय ब्रह्मस्वरूपाय मुक्ति मार्ग बोधकाय पूज्य मंगलम स्वामी सत्य तत्व बोधकाय साधु वेशयदे नित्य मंगलदायकाय नित्य मंगलम स्वामी नमः. जय जय जयदेव साई महाराज श्री साई महाराज ओवाणितां भावों आरती योगिराजः अकटित घटनागणली भक्तजनामलाडी साई रूपानाम आले जगद्विकटेडी अगाध श्री गुरु लीडार गोलाल मंगल भगंदा महिमा सकलाम दाव्याल वसलाम बागुणी बारिंध्या डोल आत्मबलास देवान वरत्वालाः तेलाम वासुनी वजनी वनात्रे विल्या अनंत असल्यालील जगदांसल्या असोद जगदी मोड्या भावां दिरासी नामस्मरणं अवध्या जातिविलायसी कृपा प्रसोदो लाभो सर्वदी समृद्धि सूलक्रयालो निधार्दी शीरडिवासी स्वामी श्री सद्गुरुनाथा तुमस्या शरणि आधाम देवियाल माधा कुमलिंद माधवगादो गुण गौरव भावे दुरित हरोवा दर्शन देवनी स्वभावां सत्यनारायण स्वामी नमः. समस्तो पूजां समर्पयामि. यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्तु देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् देहरागं महिमानः सन्ति यत्र पूर्वे साध्यासन् देवा अग्निरूप साईनाथ स्वामी नमः. यथा तां प्रतिष्ठापयामि शोभनार्थे क्षेमाय पुनरागमनाय च.
Today we have done Sankalpa for Bhargava Atmori, Mola Nakshatra, Sai Praveen Surapraju, Posha Nakshatra, Jerry Michael Brooks, Kritika Nakshatra, Hero Bachani, Pudaposha Nakshatra, Gauri Mrigashri Isam Nakshatra, Krishna Dev Mola Nakshatra, Lakshmi Kete Nakshatra, Prashad Avita Nakshatra, Madhusudan Ayila Nakshatra, Sweda Aswini Nakshatra and Arnav Dhanistha Nakshatra. So today we have around 5 sponsors: Bhargava Atmori, Sai Praveen, Jerry Michael, Hero Bachani and Madhusudan and family. Thank you very much. You will get the blessings completely from Sri Sai Baba because you are sharing your expenses as part of this ritual. So thank you very much for getting benefit for all of us. Yes, being an instrument, you will get the complete blessing. Other than that, all the participants who is participating in this yajna in the live mode will definitely get whatever prize you have been asked for. You will get that because Sri Sai Baba is an instant remedial God who can able to guide you to success. So now we are going to already transfer the Agni to the Jala, which is in the pot. We are spraying the Jala Rupa of Sri Sai Baba across the temple hall. The same auspiciousness will come to your house. It is believed that you will also get the darshan of Sai Baba in your house. So please do the japa today completely. So this is the Jalarupa of Sai Baba, the Kumbha which we have been used. So get the blessings from the
ஒரு 2 வாரங்கள் பண்ணும்போது அடுத்தபடி சிறப்பாக சொல்லுவோம் எல்லாத்தையும்.
So please visit vedicfolks.com and also be active visiting our facebook.com/vedicfolks page, because we are announcing lot of live sad homam. Next homam is Dasavadara. We are doing Balarama. So after that we are also doing homam for Lord Muruga, and along with Lord Narasimha, because May 24th we have Lord Narasimha Jayanti along with Lord Muruga Jayanti. The birthday falls, both of the birthday falls on the same day. So we are going to do the homam on May 24 for both Muruga and Narasimha. This is a very good homam because they represent Lord Mars, and they can remove the curse of your brothers from lost lives, and they will grant you, protect you from whatever problems you have in life. Narasimha is a big avatar, you know. Same time we are also doing Muruga. Muruga is very popular in South India and across Singapore, Malaysia. I hope Singapore and Malaysian fans will love to participate in this Muruga homam. So please stay tuned. Visit our vedicfolks.com website to know the sad homam for public. You can also choose to do remedial homam 1-to-1. These homams are all, sad homams are mini homams. The 1-to-1 premium homams you will do for more hours with more number of priests. Depends on the homams you are booking. We have lot of homams for different remedies. Please make use of it. Ritual. Stay connected to the God and achieve success in your life. We are also doing Jupiter transit homam for Dakshinamurti and Lord Shiva on May 30 and May 31st. May 30 evening we are having Japa for Lord Jupiter and Dakshinamurti, and May 31st we are having homam for Lord Jupiter, Dakshinamurti and Lord Shiva. So please, if you are not booked it, please sponsor and book it. We are going to do it in a grand manner. So stay connected to us. You will get the blessings from the Lord. This is the cloth which is used by Shirdi Sai Baba. This is flowers. This is yellow flower used by Shirdi Sai Baba. And we have bananas, we have coconuts from Shirdi Sai Baba as prasadam. I have got it for you. Thank you very much for participating. We wish you the complete success in your life. Shirdi Sai Baba will guide you in your life. Thank you for participating in today's homam. Please participate in all the live homams whenever possible and get the blessings of the gods and goddesses in your life. Thank you very much. Thank you.